see. Please call him to the phone. No, China Mabel. He cannot call me back. I have something very important to tell him. Call him to the phone now, please.
Mike, tell them to wait. I'm coming right back. Hello.
Hello, Izzy, darling.
Hello. Who is this?
Izzy, darling, it's me, Sadie.
Dana, is something the matter? Why do you call me in the middle of the day? I got a lot of work to do. Why do you bother me?
Should it?
Dana,
Yes?
why are you bothering me?
No, my darling, I'm not sick. You should not come home. You should not call off 9/11. I am wonderful. I had to call you. I couldn't wait. I'm so excited, Isola, darling. I bought you a present.
You bought me a present? Wonderful. But why couldn't you wait till I come home? What's so urgent you have to bother me in the business? And what did you buy for me? Where did you buy it? It's not my birthday. Did I forget our anniversary? I'm running out. I'm buying a present. I'm going right away. I will come home without it, I promise.
Isola, my sweetheart, my darling. Does it have to be a special occasion? I saw something that you really want, especially for the business. And here was a chance for me to get a real bargain for my one and only.
So tell me already.
Izzy, darling, you would not believe this. I went with the girls this morning, and we went to an antique auction. And there I saw it, the thing you always wanted, a computer.
Did you say a computer?
Yes, my honey man, a real computer with a printer and a scanner. Wait till you see it. They told me that everything works.
Sandal, you're telling me you went to an antique auction and bought me a computer?
Yes.
Is that what I'm hearing? Sweetheart, what kind of a computer did you buy? Is it a Dell? Is it Gateway? IBM? Do you know? Look on the box. Tell me what it says.
I will tell you all about it, my husband. The man said that it's custom built. It's so cute. It's neatly packed in a nice little metal box. And the screen, darling, you ought to see the screen. It's 10 inches across. I measured it myself. Now, let me see here. Wait, darling, I'll read it from this paper. It says here more about this machine. I don't understand it myself, but I'm sure you being a man that you will. Let's see, it says something like 60 GHz, 30 MB hard drive, and Izzy, darling, is something the matter? Izzy, talk to me.